back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, as you can see, really simple but beautiful chicken fried rice. Hardly anything to it, doesn't take long, it's delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at this. Really simple. So I've got some cooked rice there. I'm using basmati. Always use cold cooked rice. Hot rice, warm rice doesn't work out so well. 1 chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut into thin strips. Here I've got some frozen garden or green peas. Just rinse them in some water. Garlic, ginger, fresh garlic and ginger, chopped, about 2 teaspoons each. Here I've got some soy sauce. I'm using a light one. You could use dark if you want. 1 onion chopped nice and small. Hot oil. Let's go. Okay, this is really easy. I've got some sunflower oil in there. You need your cooker or your heat on full blast, nice and hot. We're going to start off by dropping in our onion. Our fresh garlic and ginger. And our chicken. High heat, let that go. Stirring pretty much all the time now for about 3 minutes. Okay, now because we've cut the chicken so thin, it will cook really quickly. We're now going to add in those peas. You could be adding some other vegetables if you wanted. Maybe some chopped bell peppers or something like that. And we're now going to add in that soy sauce. I was using the light one there, but there's dark as well you can get, so up to you. We're going to cook this for another 3 minutes. Okay, fantastic. Let's get in some black pepper. Now, I'm not going to be adding any salt. Plenty of black pepper, by the way. I'm not adding salt because of the soy. The soy is very salty, but you can choose to add some salt if you wish. Now it's time for our rice. Cold, cooked rice. About 4 minutes. Keep it moving now. Can you hear that sound? That's exactly what you want. You want to be frying the rice. Okay, as you can see, I've just pushed aside there a couple of eggs. And they go. And then we're going to cook them just on the side here until they're ready. Some people like them runny. I like mine fairly well cooked. Then we're going to fold it in. Okay, 2 more minutes, see you at the table. There you go, talk about easy, super delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?